Didn't even wash the chicken, straight out the package. And of course, a whole bunch of cheese on chicken. And now tomatoes. First of all, ain't nothing even in that box. And whatever that is, I'm pretty sure it's spoiled. Because why is it liquidy, but it took that long to come out the bottle? Oh my God. I don't know what this is, but I can tell you, I probably would not eat this because this does not look good. What the heck is this supposed to be? A pasta? Okay. Really? And more cheese, as if all that cheese that was in there before wasn't enough. You just put the raw chicken with all this other stuff and you think you did a great job. No, you didn't. But go ahead.